Good morning, children. So today what we are going to do is we are going to solve subtraction problems, subtraction sums along with and without borrowing. Okay. So first here look at the first sum. Everyone turn to page number 111 and look at the first sum in the down exercise questions. Okay. So first what they are telling you is 48 minus, here is the minus 23. So you are going to subtract this 23 from this 48. So we wrote according to the place value. Here these are units and these are tens. First you are going to subtract this 8 and 3. So you should leave 8 fingers. And how many you are going to subtract? You are going to subtract 3 from it. So you have 8 fingers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers you have and you are going to subtract how many? 3. So let's subtract 1, 2, 3. So how many is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is remaining, right? So when you subtract 8 from 3, you will get 5. The next one is, here you have 2 and down you have, here you have 4 and down you have 2. So you have 4 on the top and here you have how many? 2. So you are going to subtract this 2 from 4. So you are leaving 4 fingers. How many fingers? 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many you are going to subtract? 2 from it. So 1, 2. So how many is remaining? 1, 2. Your answer is 2. So you got the answer as 2, 5. First you have 2, next you have 5. 2, 5 is called 25. So your answer is 25. So now we are moving on to the second question. Here also they have written in the form of place value. This is units and this is tens. First you are going to solve the unit side and then you are going to come to the tens side. In unit side you are having 7 on the top and 6 down. So you are going to subtract this 6 from 7. So first you have to leave 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 fingers you have and you are going to subtract 6 from it. Now let's subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many is remaining? Only 1. Only 1 finger is remaining, right? So 7 minus 6 is 1. Now you are going to move to the tens place. Here you have 3 and here you have 1. You are going to subtract this 1 from 3. Let's leave 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now you are going to subtract 1 from this. Now you are going to subtract 1. How many is remaining? 1, 2. Remaining is 2. Your answer is 21. Now moving on to the next question. Here you have 7, 5 and here you have 5, 3. 7, 5 is called 75 and you are going to subtract 5, 3, 53 from 75. Now you are looking into the units place number. On the top you have 5 and you are going to subtract how many? 3 from this 5. So you are going to cancel each one of the numbers in 5 so that you will cancel 3 from it. So 5 you have in your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many you are going to subtract? 3. So 1, 2 and 3. How many is remaining? 1, 2. 2 is remaining. And here you have 7 and here you have 5. So you are going to subtract 5 from this 7. Now you are going to leave 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many you have to subtract? 5 from it. So let's subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is remaining? 1, 2. Your answer will be 2. So your answer is 2, 2. 2 and 2 is called 22. Next question. Here you have 8 on the numerator, on the top, sorry. 8 on the top and 2 on the down. Here you have 2 8. 8 and 8 is called 88, right? Down you have 1 2. 1 2 is called 12, right? Now you look into the unit place. Here on the top you have 8, down you have 2. So you should leave 8 fingers, and how many are going to subtract? 2 from it. So you have to close 2 fingers. 1, 2. How many is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 fingers is remaining. That means 6 is remaining. Here you have 8 on the top and 1 on the down. That means you are going to subtract 1 from 8. Let's leave 8 fingers, and how many are going to subtract? 1 from it. So let's count how many fingers we left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 fingers you left, and how many are going to subtract? Only 1. So you will close this finger. 1 is closed, right? So how many is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Your answer will be 7. And the final answer is 7, 6. When you have 7 in the beginning, you should say 70. And what is in the unit place? 6. So 76. 76 is your answer. The next one we are going to solve is 36. On the top you have 3, 6. When you have 3, you should say 30. And then next you have 6. And down you have 1, 3. When you have 1, 3, you should say 13. Now in the unit place, on the top you have 6. In the down you have 3. So you have to subtract 3 from 6. Let's leave 6 finger first. So how many fingers you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fingers you have left, and how many you are going to subtract? 3 from it. So 1, 2, 3. How many is remaining? 1, 2, 3. So when you subtract 6 from 6, you got 3. You got 3 as your answer. Next one, here you have 3. And how many you are going to subtract down? You have 1. So 3 minus 1 is how many? 2. 1, 2, right? So 2. Your answer is 2, 3. First you have 2, that will call you as 20, and the second one is 3. So 23. Turn to page number 112, the next page. Okay, so there are 5 more sums in the same subtraction method. That will be our homework. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to subtract. You are going to fill this box by subtracting. Okay, first question they are telling 35 minus box gives you 25. Now we'll write the question separately. First one, 35. This is 3 is tens, and here you have 5, that is unit. What you should do is you should put a box down. When you subtract them, what is the answer you got? 25 to 5. This is unit, this is tens. Now whenever you are subtracting, what you should do? You should start from the right side corner, right? Now on the top you have 5, and the down, look at here, you have 5. So you have already 5, and down also you have 5. That means you got the same answer without subtracting. See, Question is also saying 5, answer is also saying 5. When you subtract a number from some number, then you will get the same number. Which number is that? 0, right? So whenever you subtract 5 from 0, what you will get? 0. Sorry, 5. So whenever you subtract 5 minus 0, you will get 5 itself. If you are subtracting 2 from 0, what you will get? You will get 2 itself. If you are subtracting 3 and 0, what you will get? 3 itself. Understood? So whenever you see the same answer in down and same number in the up, then you should remember that you will get 0. Now here you have 3. And in the answer you have how many? Only 2. So how many? See, here you have 3 and here you have 2. So to get 2, how many you have to close? See, to get 2, how many you have to close? Only 1. So 1 will be here. Now in the box you have to fill 1, 0. 1, 0, what you will tell? 10. So 1, 0. Second question is 23 minus box gives you 0. So 23 minus box gives you how much? 1, 0, that is 10. So 0 is the unit that you wrote at the end and 1 you wrote here. Now look at the last number. Last unit number is 3 and you got answer as 0. So how many you have to subtract to get 0? 1, 2, 3. When you cancelled all 3, you got 0. So in the box you have to write 3. And here you have how many? 2. Right. And down you have 1. So in order to get 1 as your answer, how many you have to close? How many you closed? 1. Right. So when you close 1, you get 1. So here also you have to put 1. Okay. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So you got the answer as 10 when you subtracted minus 13. So your answer is 13. Now the third question is 18 minus 8. See, the question has 2 numbers, but in the down you have only one number, which is 8. Whenever you have one number, what is that number? It's unit, right? So where you should write it? You should write at the unit place, that is at the right side. Now here you have 8 and down you have 8. So 8 fingers and you are going to subtract how many? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 fingers you have left and you are going to subtract how many? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many is remaining? 0. And here you have top, you have 1, but down you have no number. So you can write the number on the top, down itself. Now you got the answer as 1, 0. 1, 0 means 10. So your answer is 10. Okay. Now the next question is 55 minus box gives you 43. Now 55 minus box. So you will put 2 boxes and your answer you got is 43. 4 is tens and 3 is unit. Now look at your top, you have 5 and in the answer you got 3. So you have to close your fingers so that you will get 3 as your answer. So let's close. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 you got. You how many you want? 3 you want. So let's start closing and counting till you get 3 fingers. Okay. So 1, 2. When you close 2 fingers, how many you got? 1, 2 and 3. That means you have to subtract 2 from this 5 to get 3. Now here you have 5 on the top again and the down you have a box and the answer is 4. So You need to start closing your finger till you get 4 as your answer. You have 5 fingers. Now we'll start closing. 1. So 1 you closed. How many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you closed 1 finger, how many fingers were left? 4. That means 1 should come here, right? Now your answer is 1, 2. 1, 2 is 12. And the last question, here you have 5th question, box. In the beginning itself you have a box and you are going to subtract 20 from it. And you got the answer as 50, 50. Now look at the last number. On the question you are having 0. There is no number, that means 0. On the top you have no number. Down you have 0 and down you have 0. When you subtract a number from 0, you will get the same number. But in the answer you got 0 and here also you have 0. That means here also you will be having 0. Now look at here. Here on the top you have box, you have to fill that. And the down you have 2 and the down you have 5. So when you subtract a number from 2, you will get 5. So let's have 10 fingers. Okay, and you are going to subtract 2 from it, and how many is left? That should be 5. Okay, so 10 minus 1, 2. How many is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is too much. You need only 5. So you will leave 2 fingers and you will start with 8. So now what you are going to do, you are having 8 fingers, and what you are going to do is you are going to subtract 2 from it to get 5. So 1, 2. How many is remaining? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is there. 6 is also not 5. So what you will do? You will again minus 1 from 8. So when first you add 10 fingers, 10 is too big. So you came for 8. 8 is also big, so you come for 7 now. So 7, from 7 how many are going to subtract? 2. So 1, 2. How many is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is remaining. That means when you add 7 and you subtracted 2 from it, you got 5. That means your answer is 7. Understood? So on the top what you have written? 70. 70 means 70. Okay, so this is your answer. There are 5 more sums in the same way.